Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in my kitchen I have made most popular Kerala breakfast, that is Palappam and egg curry. As I stay in Maldives, thought to show you a glimpse of artificial beach in Maldives. This is a man-made beach. It has a sit-out area and a park around us. This artificial beach park, you will be amazed to see the birds and animals, and you will be greeted by the pigeons all around you. I love to walk with this beautiful view. Today was a public holiday, so my elder son also joined me for a walk. After a good walk, I love to have a hot cardamom tea. It's a treat for me. Hot tea with this beautiful view, it's a true blessing. Early morning, people will come and do swimming and play in water and practice surfing. Here, people love and enjoy to be in water. After this beautiful view, let's start making Palappam. You need 500 gram of raw rice, that is 3 cup of rice. Here I have taken the aromatic rice. This is one of the variety of raw rice. This doesn't have any flavor or a smell. When you make a appam, rice is very important, so always take a good raw rice, then only you will get a good color and tasty appam. Here I have washed the rice and I am soaking the rice for 7 hours or overnight. After overnight soaking, for 3 cup of rice I have taken 1 cup of coconut grated, but you can add 2 cup of coconut grated instead. Add coconut grated and rice in a mixer and add fresh water. Do not use the rice soaked water. Check the consistency, it's not too thick or not too thin. Take a pan, in that add 4 tablespoons of rice batter and half cup of water and mix well. Now in a low flame, stir continuously till you get this texture. This process helps us to get the soft appam. Switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. In a bowl, take 5 to 6 tablespoons of warm water and 2 teaspoons of sugar and 3/4 teaspoon of instant yeast or dry yeast, and keep this for 5 to 8 minutes. This mixture has been completely cooled down. Now add this into a mixie jar and I'm adding the yeast. And add 2 to 3 tablespoons of appam batter and add little water and make a fine paste. Add this mixture into appam batter and add little water in a mixie jar and take out the remainings. Don't add too much water, be careful, and use the hand to mix well. Close the lid and keep it in a dark place for fermentation. I'm keeping it for overnight. It's the next day. My day begins by feeding my beautiful betta fish. Before making appam and egg curry, we had a hot tea with diamond guts. Today I'm making video of appam and egg curry, so it takes time than usual, so we had a light snack. Let's start making delicious egg curry. You need 6 boiled egg. You need 1 cardamom, 1 clove, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, half teaspoon of fennel seed and 1 cup of coconut grated. Add this into a mixie jar and add half cup of water and make a fine paste. In a cooker, add 2 tablespoons of oil and add 2 teaspoons of garlic crushed and 1.5 teaspoon of ginger crushed, and add 5 green chillies slit in between and 2 strands of curry leaves. Saute it till the raw smell leaves. Then add 3 big onions chopped long and thin. Add salt and mix. Then add 3 tablespoons of water. Then close the lid and keep it in a low flame till 4 whistles. Open the cooker lid only when the pressure is released. Little water is there, so keep it in a high flame and reduce the water. Then add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of normal chili powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. The oil has come out, the masala has been cooked well. Now add 1 medium-sized tomato. Mix well. And close the lid and cook. The tomato has been cooked well. Now add the coconut mixture. With that, add 2 cups of water and mix it well. Now add a strands of curry leaves and add a 6 boiled egg. Give a slit. Cook this egg curry for 6 to 7 minutes in a low flame. For seasoning, you need 2 tablespoons of oil or any oil of your choice and half teaspoon of mustard and 6 to 7 shallots or onion, and add curry leaves. Then add the seasoning into egg curry. At the end, add few coriander leaves chopped. Beautiful and delicious egg curry is ready. This is our another live plant fish aquarium. Appam batter has been fermented. Sometime it will rise and reach till the top, but it depends upon the weather. Keep the consistency of the batter thinner than dosa batter. Now add salt. Then add 2 or 3 teaspoons of sugar. Add half teaspoon of baking soda only when you are about to make appam. Like I said, the appam batter should be thinner than the dosa batter. In a appachatti or appam mold, add little oil and use the tissue to take off the oil. Here I am using the small serving spoon. In that I have taken the 2½ measurement of appam batter. Add oil if needed. Beautiful and tasty appam is ready. Always use the good raw rice and the fresh yeast. I made the appam with the ponni rice, but I have not got the result like this. So better to do experiment with the rice till you get the one. This weekend try this appam and beautiful egg curry. Definitely you would love it. After fermentation, if you don't want to make appam immediately, then keep it in a refrigerator. But before making appam, bring the appam batter to the room temperature, then add baking soda and salt. In dinner time, we went out. In Maldives, we have very few Indian restaurants. Have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for watching.